In this video, I'm going to show you how to search within your Excel file. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and start creating your Excel file. After that, you should go to your home page by tapping on this home button at the top on the left side. Then go to the right side of the screen and tap on this button. Click on find, which is the first option, and then you should type in the keyword or the number that will help you to detect the relevant cell that you are looking for. Type it in and then click on find next or find all, and here you will be able to see the selected value that you are looking for. You can see the sheet it is included in, then the cell and the value itself. If you want to, you can also replace it. So type in the value that you would like to replace it with and then click on the replace all button. So as you can see, your match has been replaced. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.